North Hollywood. Project is 100% complete now, so everything came out really nice. There was a lot of small obstacles that we need to deal with, differences in heights and floor, slow calculating the door opening. Some doors are going to open, some doors are not going to open, so therefore there's different type of tracks. Over here in this corner, we had to kind of make everything fit together nicely. These two were the easiest ones. These were stationary. Those came out really good. Over here, same thing. This key's on here. Let me open it for you. Okay. Everything works really nice. One-handed. Everything looks good. We will see you on the next beautiful project from the Holland brand.